I am very pleased to be here today, and I want to thank the Rare Disease Legislative Advocates, all of you who are here in the room today, the National Health Council and Shire for helping put together this briefing today, and thank all the great speakers and organizations for participating. Particularly, I want to thank all the parents who are here, and I'll point out Kristen Whedon, who's a friend of mine as well, and she's the parent of a child with rare disease, and very pleased to see her advocating for her child and for other children as well. I want to thank my co-chair for the Rare Disease Caucus, Rep. Leonard Lance of New Jersey. The Rare Disease Caucus was envisioned as a way for congressional offices, patient advocates, industry representatives, and other interested parties to come together and discuss policy and ideas that will improve the treatment for people with rare diseases. I'm glad that briefings like this one give us the opportunity to have these, what I consider very vital discussions. With the reauthorization of PDUFA earlier this year, we're seeing some new developments in the world of rare diseases and looking ahead to next steps. I hope you're finding today's briefing on these topics informative. And I've just put a word in my experience here is, I think to the average American, pretty mind-boggling that there are so many rare diseases. The average person doesn't deal with them on a daily basis, and many of them have no idea of just how many there are. I particularly am very pleased the FDA is here today as well in this discussion, because it's only by a collaboration of government, industry, and advocates that will find more solutions. There will always be challenges ahead, and it's a pretty daunting challenge in terms of the number of diseases that are there. But it has to be our effort, and a concerted effort on all parts, to make government work for people. I represent part of the district that was affected by Sandy, and I visited the Rockaways, which is below my district, where my mother is from, and saw the devastation that has wreaked upon many people's lives. And oftentimes I hear from my constituents, what relevance does government have in my life? If not after a hurricane, when does government have any relevance? I think many of the people who are advocates in this room ask that same question, and I think in this particular case, government is a very, very relevant piece to finding and helping to promote the discovery of cures to alleviate the suffering that many people go through, not just the individuals, but the caregivers. So I thank you all very much, and thank all the advocates who are here today. Bless you.